Welcome. Today, we will be examining the NIST Risk Management Framework. This framework represents a proactive approach to cybersecurity, a critical methodology in the current digital landscape. We will analyze how its structured process can be deployed to strengthen an organization's security posture and ensure operational resilience. In this section, we will focus on understanding the core philosophy of the NIST RMF. The framework's primary objective is to integrate security and privacy controls directly into the system development lifecycle. This represents a strategic shift from treating security as an add-in to establishing it as a foundational component from project inception. Let's formally define the NIST RMF. It is a structured process that methodically integrates security, privacy, and risk management into the system development lifecycle. 3. This framework provides clear guidelines, enabling organizations to manage information security risks in a consistent and effective manner. 2. It is fundamentally a proactive approach, designed to systematically identify and mitigate risks to information assets before they can be exploited by threat actors. 4. The RMF is structured around 6 key components. It begins with categorization, where information systems are classified based on their impact. 10. This is followed by selection, the process of choosing appropriate security controls to address identified risks. The third component is implementation, where the selected controls are applied to the systems. Next is assessment, a critical phase for evaluating the effectiveness of these implemented controls. 10. Based on this assessment, authorization is granted, giving official approval for the system to operate. Finally, monitoring ensures continuous tracking and evaluation of the system's security posture, making the framework a dynamic, ongoing process. 11. Having detailed the process, we will now analyze the benefits that stem from NIST RMF adoption. The ultimate goal and primary advantage of this framework is the enhancement of organizational resilience. By implementing a structured approach to risk management, an organization is better equipped to withstand, adapt to, and recover from adverse cyber events. Examining the strategic advantages, we see that the RMF provides a repeatable and scalable process, making it adaptable to any organization's size or industry. 4. It cultivates a culture of security by fostering collaboration and establishing shared responsibility across departments, breaking down operational silos. From a governance standpoint, it improves compliance by aligning with federal standards, which reduces audit risk and legal exposure. 2. Furthermore, it enables resource optimization by identifying critical risk areas, allowing for a more focused and efficient allocation of security investments. The RMF is instrumental in building resilience against emerging threats. It actively enhances an organization's security posture, positioning it to respond effectively to new threat vectors. The framework demands continuous adaptation, requiring ongoing analysis and updates to risk management strategies to remain relevant. This disciplined approach establishes a strong foundation for future readiness, ensuring the organization is prepared not just for today's threats, but for the cybersecurity challenges of tomorrow. To summarize, let's review the core principles. The RMF is a 6-step process emphasizing categorizing, selecting, implementing, assessing, authorizing, and monitoring. 6. It champions the concept of built-in security, integrating controls from the start of the development lifecycle. Its design promotes scalability and collaboration, allowing it to fit any organization while breaking down departmental silos for shared security responsibility. 4. Finally, it directly enhances compliance and drives continuous improvement by aligning with regulatory standards and mandating the ongoing evaluation of security controls. To deepen your cybersecurity knowledge, I recommend you explore these materials further. You can download our comprehensive ebook on the NIST RMF for more in-depth technical insights. I also invite you to expand your professional library by visiting our collection of expert ebooks at www.markhayward-ebooks.com. In this field, staying informed is not just beneficial, It is essential for equipping yourself with the knowledge required to navigate current and future cyber threats effectively. www.markhayward-ebooks.com